Okay, everyone, it is March the 15th on Sunday at Canada Creek Ranch in northern Michigan, and here's what we have today. 5 inches last night, and look at the snow. The wind hasn't started yet, and we're supposed to get, I don't even know how many inches of snow, but it's pouring down. Ah, look over here. The deer are hiding under trees. They're so quiet and beautiful. But anyway, I'll sign off for right now and continue on with this video and clip it together. 8:48 a.m. It's now 10:40. Wow, did you see that? Just came off my roof. We're at Canada Creek Ranch in northern Michigan on March the 15th. And the snow is blowing now, so the winds are picking up. Wow. I'm going to zoom in on this. They kind of see it. And my tree, let's see how she's looking over here. Snow covered. And let's take a look at the wind. They always say go up. And what's the upper branches? They're starting to blow a little. Here's some leaves that are, there you can see it a little bit better. So the wind's starting to increase just a little bit. I'd say it's about 15 miles per hour here. Okay. And it continues on. My poor fence. It is noon, March 15th. And it's getting windier here. You can see the snow blowing. Across the way is our neighbor's windmill. Sounds pretty. But you can see the wind picking up. Wow. Blowing off the roof. And this snow pile, where my fence is probably 5 foot tall now. I dare not go down too far, but I want to tell you that that fence, I think, is at least 3 foot tall. And it is pushing through the fence. And the snow continues to grow, and the winds are increasing. Wow. Wow. Check that out. Coming off the roof. Okay, I'll be back in a little bit just to show you what else is going on today. Get through here and show you the lake behind me. And it is frozen again. Mounds of snow all around me. The tree's nearly buried at the bottom now. And it continues. So, wow. Okay, be back in a couple hours.